Hey everyone, it's been a while, and a long while, and I'm sitting in my car about to go to work, and I'm just gonna wait a few minutes to see if anybody pops on. So hi, make sure you state your name, where you're from. I enjoy talking with everybody. I'd love to see your comments. Good morning. Good morning. All right, I'm gonna sit here and wait for people to get on. I love my life. I love my friends and family. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being part of the keto family. So anyway, this isn't keto. It has nothing to do with keto, but it's still relevant. Through this rabbit hole that I've fallen down going on keto, I've learned more about health. I've learned more about nutrition. But one of the things a lot of people don't think about is they don't think about the other things that surround us, whether it's the toothpaste, whether it's soap, whether it's deodorant or hair products. It has a lot of chemicals, and these chemicals also breaks down your immune system. I mean, we were learning in this process, we're learning how to eat healthier with healthier foods, healthier fats, but nobody's really talking about the other health issues that come along with, medications and chemicals, just natural chemicals in our water. So, what I thought I would do is talk to you today about one of the things that I had an issue with was deodorant. It seemed like no matter what I wore, with all the pretty smells and all the stuff, at the end of the day, I still stank. I was like, ugh, I can't stand myself. Ugh. Then I started following some recipes. I made my own, and it would work okay. Yeah, work okay, better than the store-bought stuff. Oh, and the store-bought stuff has the aluminum, so now we're sucking that into our body, and other things, chemicals that it's not natural. It's just not natural. It's not healthy, and they make a lot of money. So even after making my own deodorant and wearing it for a year, I still was like, I stink. Oh, I can't stand to be around myself. So I was talking to a good friend of mine, and she's over 70, and when she was 14 years old, she said that she's been doing this ever since she was 14. She takes hydrogen peroxide, puts a little bit on the tips of her fingers, and rubs it in. And I'm like, okay, that makes a little bit of sense, but I've tried the coconut oil, I've tried the lemon juice, and it just doesn't last. But what she does different, not just the peroxide, that's just to get the bacteria out. Then she takes baking soda in her hand, gets a few drops of water, rubs it in, makes a paste, and rubs the paste over it. So I'm like, that's easy enough, and I got it all at home anyway. So I've been doing that, and oh my goodness, I don't stink anymore. I love it. I mean, it'll be a very hot day, I've been sweating and whatnot, and I'll go, wow, I don't stink. So let me know what you think, guys. Try it out, see what you think. Look how much you would be saving on all the chemicals that are poisoning us. So anyway, this is Shauna from Embracing Keto. Again, I'm in a parking garage with my job, getting ready to go to work, and this has just been in my head, and I thought, well, while I have a few minutes to spare, I'm gonna talk to you. I love talking to you guys. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and mostly just talk to me. I love talking to you guys. Anyway, have a good day. We'll see you in the next video.